How to deposit a check on Chase Bank app. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to your application Chase Bank. Now click on Sign In and then enter your login credential, as in your username and the password of your account. Once you have entered, click on Sign In. It will be landing you on this page. Once you are in this page, now what you want to do is head over to Deposit Checks at the top left corner of the screen. Now select your account where you want to deposit the check, be it Total Checking or Chase Savings. Let me choose Total Checkings for now. Once you're in this page, enter the specific amount that you would want to deposit. Once you've entered the amount, now you have to upload both front side and the back side of the check. Once you've uploaded, tap on Next at the bottom of the screen. And then, your check amount will be deposited in the specific amount that you have chosen. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.